Welcome to your map room. Let's figure out how to add a jetpack to a building. And I think I'm going to target building in this plot right down here. So let's jump down there. Let's center in on this plot. I've got two buildings that I'm thinking about doing. This is my Don't Panic, my storefront. And here's my Among Us storefront that I've got going on. While we're in the map room, you see where the map icon was, we now have the editor. If you click on the editor, you've got several options across the top here, and the map will eventually load here in just a second. There it goes. So if you click on plots, you'll see you have the ability to add things to different plots. You've got different prices. That's not what we're doing though. If you click on blocks, you can see this is where you can change one little block, like that little block right there. I could change that asphalt block to one of these choices. So if I wanted to make it with a starting capacity of 2 to 3 apartments for 500 metacoins, I could click on that. And then see how my cursor changes over on my hand? I get this little doodad right here. And anywhere I move, I can choose to stamp it somewhere. That's cool. Okay. And so let's say I choose to stamp it right there. Ta-da! And it stamps it. And you'll notice now it says modified. And sometimes it'll tell you this block has developed buildings that can't be moved. So the cursor will tell you where you can and where you can't do things. If I click on the modified, here's where I could either build it and those changes would go live, or I can reset it and all of those would go away. So I hit reset. Are you sure it's gonna undo any implied changes? Yep. Okay, so now that's back to normal. I'm gonna close my discovery menu. Let me go back and let's go back to buildings. And now you can see I can add a storefront to a building for 5,000 metacoins. I can add a jetpack for 5,000, or I can just look at property info. So if I click on that, and I click on that building right there, I can look and see who's in here, and I can upgrade my buildings from here as well. Going back, let's add a jetpack utility, and let's add it to this building right here. So I'm going to click Jetpack. See how it turned white? And then I'm going to click on that building right there. I added it. There's my modified indicator again. So we're going to click on it. And I think I'm going to build it. And remember, it's going to cost me 5,000 metacoins. So make sure you have enough in your metacoin balance. And let's hit build. It's going to verify how much it costs. And when we hit buy, are you sure? I'm really, really, really sure. Okay. And it did it.